Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Mazda CX-30. First, gather your tools: a reliable jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and wheel chocks. Always work on a flat, stable surface to prevent accidents. We'll cover the front and rear jack points, ensuring you know exactly where to place your equipment for maximum safety and stability. Let's get started. For the front of your CX-30, locate the main central jack point just behind the engine cradle. This is where your hydraulic jack will lift the vehicle. Once lifted, position your jack stands securely under the pinch welds, which are reinforced areas near the front wheels. Lower the vehicle slowly onto the stands, confirming it is completely stable before proceeding.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Quick recommendation: just like you need reliable tools for your car, you need reliable socks for your feet. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Moving to the rear, the central jack point is typically the rear differential. Use your jack here to lift the back of the Mazda CX-30. Similar to the front, place your jack stands under the reinforced pinch welds located near the rear wheels. Gently lower the vehicle onto the stands, making sure it rests firmly and securely. Safety is paramount at every step. Safety is non-negotiable when working under your vehicle. Always use wheel chocks on the wheels that remain on the ground to prevent any rolling. Never, ever rely solely on a hydraulic jack. Always use sturdy jack stands. Additionally, wear appropriate safety gear such as gloves and eye protection to protect yourself from potential hazards. Your well-being comes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.